In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up branded domains in GoHighLevel. By the end, your funnels, websites, and forms will live on a clean, professional URL that reflects your brand, which helps with trust, deliverability, and a consistent customer experience. First, head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel in a browser, you can find the official link at the top of the description. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. In the Settings area, scroll until you see the Domains section and open it. Next, click Add New Domain. Here, enter your branded domain or a subdomain, like appyourdomain.com. Most users prefer a subdomain so their main website stays untouched, but either option works. After you submit the domain, GoHighLevel will generate the DNS records you need. You'll typically see a CNAME record and sometimes an A record. The CNAME tells your subdomain where to point, and the A record maps a root domain to an IP address. Carefully copy these values and keep this tab open. Now, open a new tab and log into your domain provider, such as GoDaddy or Hostinger. Find your domain's DNS settings, often called DNS management or the DNS zone editor. Here's where you'll add what GoHighLevel gave you. Create the CNAME record for your chosen hostname and paste in the exact target. If GoHighLevel provided an A record, add or update it as instructed. If a record with the same host already exists, remove or edit it to avoid conflicts. When you're done, save your changes. Keep in mind, DNS updates can take time to propagate across the internet. Sometimes a few minutes, sometimes longer, so patience here is normal. Return to GoHighLevel and click Verify. If it doesn't verify right away, give it some time and try again. Once verification succeeds, assign your branded domain to the assets that need it. You can map it to your funnels, websites, and forms so everything loads under your new branded URL. This helps keep your marketing materials aligned and can reduce confusion for visitors. Finally, confirm the setup is working by visiting the domain in your browser and opening a funnel or page you assigned. If it loads correctly, you're all set and your branded domain is active and in use. Thanks for watching.